Garlic boasts many attributes in addition to its unique flavor, but we bet you've never been told that it can tackle insomnia. Can garlic help you sleep? Amongst its other valuable nutrients, garlic contains zinc and high concentrations of sulfurous compounds like allicin, which naturally promote relaxation, helping you fall asleep faster. Garlic can also help clear blocked nasal passages if you are suffering from a cold, easing nocturnal breathing and reducing snoring, which in turn aids restful sleep. How can you use garlic to treat insomnia? Enjoy Granny Boswell's garlic-rich chicken soup recipe for supper, to give your body a generous dose of fresh allicin and zinc, or try a warm, milky drink infused with a little garlic and honey. Some people claim one can benefit from garlic's soporific side effects without actually ingesting it. A fresh clove of garlic placed beneath a pillow is believed to bestow a calming effect on the nervous system, thanks to the sulfurous compounds which are released from the garlic. Of course, the garlicky scent may take some getting used to, but it's surely worth it for a good night's sleep. Traditional recipe for a garlic nightcap. To fully benefit from garlic's amazing health properties, try this traditional remedy at bedtime. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 1 clove of garlic, crushed, 1 teaspoon of runny honey, or to taste. Method: add a clove of crushed garlic to a cup of milk, and heat the mixture gently in a saucepan. Once the mixture has simmered for around 3 minutes, take it off the heat and add honey to taste. Drink it around half an hour before your preferred bedtime to enjoy its soporific benefits. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to this channel.